Okay, so let's start the next practical. In this practical I am going to show you how to create macro. So before starting that, I want to explain you briefly what is macro. Macro is nothing else but it is a feature of spreadsheet where we can record some saved document, where we can record and save some commands that frequently we use. Suppose for example, I am telling you, suppose I have a shop and there every day I sell some products like pen, pencil, eraser, book, notebook. Every product, the quantity and price I know, and the amount each and every time I need to calculate what will be the amount, quantity into price, and total will be the amount, every amount, sum of every amount will be the total. So every day I need to perform this multiplication for calculating the amount and the summation for calculating the total. So repeatedly I have to do one thing. 365 days, each and every day I need to perform this operation. So better to record it. Macro will give you like a calculator format where I can put any price, any quantity, they will be calculating the amount once you record it. Okay, and they will be calculating the total also. If you record the macro, you can do that. So it is a recording feature, you can say. So with the help of that, we can record something. The repeated frequently used keystroke or commands you can record and you can use it in future. So for doing that, we need to go to the view tab. Here is a view tab. You can see the macros option is there. So the shortcut key is Alt plus F8 to view the macros. Click on that and click on the record macro option. Okay, here they will give you the one box that is called record macro dialog box. Macro name we need to give here. I am giving macro 3 only. Shortcut key combination, suppose I am giving L. Any shortcut key combination you can give here, Ctrl Shift plus L. In future, if you use this shortcut key combination, same macro will be copy it and paste it. So obviously it is a good advantage. Okay, and thirdly, you need to store the macro in personal workbook or new workbook or this workbook. I will be choosing the personal macro workbook because it is good to choose. Okay, and after that click on OK. Now I will be performing the frequently used commands or operations. Like suppose for my shop I am writing items, quantity, price, amount. Okay, and here I am writing first item is pen, quantity 0, price 0, amount I will be calculating later. Why I am giving 0? Because the original value I will give later. I don't want to give it now. Pencil, same thing, 0, 0. Next I am writing book, 0, 0. I am not writing anything else. Okay, so I will be calculating the amount now by using the formula, because please note it down. Here we are recording the commands only, do not write a 0 only, because you can tell me the quantity into price, 0 into 0, the answer will be 0. Not like that. 0 will not be here. We will give some another value. Suppose quantity 2, price 30. So the amount will be 60 here. So use the formula so that in future if you can give any value and the amount will be calculated. So equal to quantity into price. Press enter. Next equal to quantity into price. Next sorry, okay, next equal to quantity into price. Okay, all done. Next I will be calculating the total. The formula for total will be addition of all the amounts. All are 0 here, but still we need to use all the cell in formula for counting the formula, for calculating the formula. Okay, so my macro is ready. Now I will be stop recording like that. Go to the macros option and click on the stop recording. Okay, so now look everyone, my macro has been recorded. Now you change the value. Suppose in one day I have sold 40 pencil of rupees 5, so my amount will be 200. Like this, like a calculator, just you give the amount, give the quantity and price, the amount and total will be calculated. Suppose I have sold 50 pence of price rupees 20 in a day, so my calculation to amount will be 1000 rupees. I have sold 30 books of rupees 500, so my total will be 15,000 and my total amount is 16,200 rupees. So obviously it is a very useful feature, you can understand. So like that we can record a macro and we can create this type of macro recorder. And what about the shortcut key combination? If you go to another page, if you remember what were the shortcut combination we have chosen there, that is Control Shift and L, I guess. So I am recording now, I cannot use both of my hands, but if you press the key combination or whatever you have given in the macro recorder dialog box, the same macro will be copied and pasted over there also. So that's it. Thank you all. Watch the video and perform the steps carefully. Thank you.